Hello everyone, so I just want to share with you all another cooking story or another recipe. So this time we're going to make a stir-fry saltus with pork slices. So first, you need to marinate your pork slices with salt, pepper, light soy sauce and sugar, and then corn flour and sesame oil. Then set aside, and then you need to peel and cut your saltus and wash it, and then stir fry. So, ganito dapat yung ano pala guys, yung look ng inyong pork slice and the saltus. So, you stir fry garlic and ginger and stir fry the pork slices first. So, after nyo yan i-stir fry, may makikita kayong parang may brown. Like I always said that you can see like there's a light brown or golden brown on it. Then, remove, take out and set aside. Remove or take out and set aside, and then stir fry your saltus. So yung saltus guys, hindi nyo na siya kailangan lagyan ng kahit ano. So you just stir fry the saltus and add water on it until it will be cooked, and add the leaf and stir fry the leaf also. Need to cover this guys para madali siyang maluto. So you need to cover it and then add your leaf part ng saltus and then stir fry until it will cook, and then put back your pork slice. So yun lang, napaka-easy lang itong stir fry saltus with pork slices guys. So thank you for watching guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share if nagustuhan niyo itong video. God bless you and take care always. Please respect each other and be kind always. See you again for the next recipe video guys.